a little country. We haven't got that many different groups. If we perhaps are at the yearly VV golf event, we have maybe 150 or 200 cars in all, and that's both Vento and Golf 3 and 2 and 1.
The big difference has been in a lot of years that in Germany the guys have a lot easier to get the parts. We have to go on eBay, we have to, because there's not so many as crazy as we are to do the same parts. So I think that's the biggest difference. A lot of things are changed at the car because I have a car from '91 and it was okay. I told myself that if it should be, then it should be 100%. So all the parts are shifted out with new parts from original VV. There's a lot of things because I see the car as a whole part, but the rims I like very much. The hardest to get is my rims. They are very rare, so that's my baby.
I also won some few prizes. It's mostly at the VV events. But the most important for us is not the prizes. It's rather that a man comes and say, "This is an amazing job you have done on your car," and the respect from the people means a lot more, I think.
We built the car for us, for our own sake, not for anyone else.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.